Yeah, the new SM Mall in Tagum. Coming along pretty quick, actually, as far as things go here. It's up fast, but it's gonna be big. SM City Mall. Yeah, it's gonna be good to have that here. Oh, very big. Gonna be big. Big news, right? Yeah, big news.
Early today, guys. We have to come here in Tagum for the very important matter.
Yeah.
Wow, lots of happenings already.
It just started today.
We just started our day. So guys,
Hi guys.
hello guys. Okay, I'm gonna explain why we wind up here in Tagum early this morning.
Please do.
Yeah, it's because we had to pick up Marites here. She went to this place here, this Christ the King hospital. This is where Dennis was hospitalized. So Marites is having some health issue. I'm not gonna explain why, but you know, as you know, last time she, you know, was leaving to go to Davao, and actually today she still have a review, but she's in pain. So she cannot take it. Yesterday she attended the review and all she felt was pain. So today she decided to just come home. Last night she texted us that I wanted to go home. And I go, why would you force yourself? If you feel you are in pain, then you need to come home. So, and I advised to her that, you know, on the way here, maybe she can get checked in there, you know, get some tests and find out why. So it's kind of like a very thing this morning, because the family is coming, and you know, we're gonna open the gifts, but then at the same time we're worried about Marites. And oh my gosh, Gay, I hope you're gonna be all right, Gay. And you know, she's coming back tomorrow, so we can find out the result, because they're actually not open today, their ultrasound, so, or the test that they have to do is not open today. So this is where you had your ultrasound too, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is.
Your whole abdomen.
It's Guandere.
Is it a little cheaper? Actually, it's cheaper in here.
Yeah, yeah.
This is private hospitals.
It is a little cheaper here.
Hospital here. Yeah. So Milin is eating breakfast right now. We grab something to eat for breakfast. So anyway guys, there's already been a lot of happenings this morning. Very early, I had 2 flat tires. They had to pull the nails out of this, just
La 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 la.
la 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 la. So many things already, and then we focus on just picking up Marites, because she left Davao early this morning to come here.
I said ay 6:30 pa pa jud guys.
6:30 she
Wow.
left in Davao.
Wow.
6:30. So I also woke up early this morning, so I only had 3 hours of sleep. So I hope I can survive all day with all the activities today, but I will try.
You can do it. You're the MC. You can do it. Master of ceremonies. You can do it.
Yeah, I can do it. It's just that you know, I'm worried for everybody. You know, I want everybody to be okay, and just, you know, whatever everybody's problem, if there's something I can do, then I have to do it. You know, especially when it comes to Dennis, of course, because you know, I wanna make sure that my husband is okay and feels comfortable. No
I'm
matter.
doing fine.
Okay, that's good. How about you, Samilin? Are you okay there? Are you ready to go home?
Yes.
She's ready to go home. Okay, so let's go, because we're gonna have some activities. Family is coming over too.
Yay!
Yay!
Excited. They are all excited for the gifts. Okay, so let's go home, guys.
Go guys.
Home guys.
Hi, Pir. We're home. Hi, Pir. Please, auntie. Please, auntie. Ay, kontura ka? O sige. Ay. Hi, Ran! Look at Rara. When I got home, she wants to come to auntie already. Hi, Ran! Hi, Jisa!
Hi,
Yeah, I know. Soon as I got home, she's already... They're busy in here, guys, preparing for the lunch. Huh? Oh, you took a bath, Ra?
Langan kayo nalibak.
Sama na anyway. Jasper. What are you watching, Ra? Nahay sa vlog.
Wow, let's leave it with this friend.
What are you watching, Ra? Samilin fell asleep in the car.
No,
Ha?
ano sila dito? Best sabi.
Bliss, auntie.
Kiss ako, B. Dali.
Ato, auntie Iggy ko. Eh, auntie Iggy is not feeling well. Is in pain. We're home, guys, and I'm so tired. I'm very sleepy. Huh? Where are you going? You going somewhere? Oh, watch your shoe. Come on, watch your shoe. I'm gonna put you down. Auntie is very tired. You don't wanna go down? Why? Go down. Because auntie is really tired, Ra. Huh? Our mom and our dad should be here soon. Unsa man? Ato ang tigi ko. Huh? What are you talking about? Ay. Why do you like to go to Auntie Raoy? Hi sa nila. Hi guys. Hi guys. Ano ba? Eh. Hi guys. Hi guys. Did you sleep, Ra? You sleep? Are you tired? Huh? Asa mo si Jisrael? Where's Jisrael? Jisrael is not here yet. He's gonna ride with Samuel, with our mom. I need to take my medicine first, Ra. I need to take my medicine. Ano man? Ay, Jesus said that Jisrael woke up at 5 o'clock, was very excited to come here, get the gifts. Tigidig.
Yang bobo si Jasper. Ayun, sige ko bobo.
Unsa may balita, Jisa? Jisa, oy. Jisa is a businesswoman. Maybe she's making good money. Maybe I can borrow from you, Jisa.
Just little, just
Little. That's fine. You know, she at least she has an income every day doing her sari-sari store.
lamang.
Yeah, she can buy some like for snacks, for sudan. Oh, for kids allowance to school. Very nice. Businesswoman si Ate Jisa. Ate Jisa.
Maganda si Rara.
Wow. Hey, here's Ruel.
Do that.
Blooming Dinis.
Bless you. Yeah, Dinis, they're saying you're losing weight, honey.
Oh, good. Thank you. Thank you.
Ning hi na ka na, uncle. Oh yeah, uncle. Hi, Pil. Is it good? He's eating the McDonald from...
Dami pinagabay.
Yeah.
Kasi uncle.
Bilabay.
Ito. Ito uncle ko. Ito uncle ko. Oh, bless.
Oh, that's sweet.
Oh,
That's
basura.
sweet. Oh my gosh. He's so sweet.
Parang, I don't know why she wants me to keep holding her. I
Because
told her.
you do hold her.
Our mom and our dad probably coming soon, and Jisrael, we're gonna ride with them. Yeah. Ultrasound. So here guys, the chef Maribin is very busy preparing all the food that we're going to have for lunch because the rest of the family are coming over. And here's Rara, don't even want me to put her down. I put her down and she's going back up. Huh? Unsa to? Unsa? She's talking and I don't know what she's talking about. What is this, Ra? Unsa ni? Ay, the beef. That's the beef soup. What is that, Ra? You wanna help Auntie Ganggang to cook?
Simot, simot.
Smell, just smell.
Awang daw ni Rara. Simot.
That's how she smell.
Katawanan niya.
Very fun.
Simot, ginger. Humot ka ginger.
This guy is liver and chicken gizzard. Gizzard. Very hot today, Ra. Oh my God, Ra. Really hot. Wala ka diha, eh. Bahala ka. Where are you gonna take me? I look at her.
Kay ako ang
See, she got her slippers. She got her slippers. You don't even know how to wear it. That's
pagulong na siya. Bali na, Ra.
Bali. No, that's wrong. This is on the other side. Uy.
Oh, dirira na, Pen.
This is on the other side. Hold on, Ra.
Dirira na ko na.
Hold on, Ra. It's not wrong. No. That's opposite. That's opposite here. This one goes on the other side. This one here. Ayun na, that's later, okay, because it's very hot. Very hot. Guys, I woke up and they are already here. I just couldn't hold it. I fell asleep. My eyes were falling. So I woke up, I slept for a little bit and then I woke up and they're here eating lunch. So what they have, oh my gosh, no more. This is catfish.
Leftover.
Yeah, that's leftover. Wow, our dad brought some chicken soup. This is beef soup and that's chicken gizzard and liver. Was it good, Jisa? Very good. Very good. There's Samuel.
Hey guys.
Who else are here? There's our dad.
Hi.
Our dad and he's watching Rara because Rara is sleeping.
Balik ko.
Kaya kay bulak mo.
She got tired and she fell asleep in the couch.
Hi guys!
Hi, Gisrel is here.
Busog na kayo.
Kaprak mo, Roderick.
I'm so full.
Buwa ng isip.
You're so full, Samilin?
Yeah.
Per,
That's
sige.
good.
Ikaw,
Hi,
Per.
Per. Why are you very quiet, Per?
Ikaw yung na. Ikaw yung na.
Hey, Roderick was teasing him. Ato ning kuano, no? Oh, ato ning quit kan. Pero, yeah, that's why he's in a bad mood because Roderick was teasing him. Hi, Per.
Password daw, kuya. Uy, ang password.
They have to move all the flowers here.
Ulit, magugay na siya.
Eat 3 of the chocolates. 3 or 4.
Naami si Jisa sa flowers.
You make the flowers.
First time daw ni Jisa saw the beautiful flower.
Yeah, it's big flowers, no? This ano. Maybe
Very
Ruel.
nice.
Maybe Ruel is gonna buy you one this.
Wait na lang sir dad, maybe we can
Very expensive siguro ng flowers.
Ay, yeah. This is look very good. Oh, this is native chicken.
With papaya, unripe papaya.
Let's eat, guys.
Sit guys!
Dennis came out to say. You wanna eat, honey? I didn't
No
eat.
thanks.
We have catfish. Uy, okay na.
Kuyawan. Kuyawan. Ang gawat hindi ni Kuyawan.
Everybody, when Dennis comes out, oh, Dennis here.
Gamay dito si Dinis, no?
Why is everybody saying that you're losing weight? Now our mom said that you're losing weight.
Good, thank you.
Smoothing mo lang kinaka.
Ito nito din siya ka.
Manghipos na ta kay mag-abri na ta sa box.
We need to clean up guys so we can get all the gifts get through.
We need to make the cupcake.
Yeah, also cupcakes so many
I already prepared the cake.
Wow.
Yeah, I washed it all.
Wow! Yeah, all the ingredients. Everybody's busy, chika.
Maugani.
The kids are so excited. So we need to all clean up guys.
Matagkad lang yan. Ang tanong. Minsan man, ay, minsan ilang ingon pa ako. Okay na lang.
Just look up so early just to ask, can we go now?
Tayo pa mata.
Very excited.
Matagos.
Wala pang
Wow!
Ala, grabe tinanan. Bugaan man.
Yeah.
Our mom, first time to our mom.
Oh, picture. Very heavy raman na. Di tapang sa panglimpyo, panghipos ata. May amigas oh. Naroon ang hipo. Kano na ikuan dia. Chika-chikahin ninyo si Dincho. Samuel. Ha?
Everybody ate? Oh, glad to see you. Hey, little guy. Hey, thanks for coming to see Uncle.
Perfect. The kids are so excited guys, but Maribin wants to clean up first. Very nice. Oh, very nice.
It's very...
Oh, our mom said like, oh, very nice to have this kind of flower. Yeah, it's really nice. No, they're very heavy na. Very sweet. Ha? Kaya nay tubig man, nanay tubig. Wake up ra, cause we're gonna open the box. Roderick, wake up.
Hey, got candy, Ra.
Wala, nagkapaningat ng agi mo.
No, may basa kayo.
Ra, wake up ra, because we're gonna open the box ra. You have some gifts ra. Ra, mata na ra, so we can open the gifts. We're afraid to wake her up because she's probably gonna turn maoy. Ayaw pa mauya.
Oh, di ko mayo.
Everybody guys gathering, starting to gather. So open the gifts. See Jasper and Giselle, they're very excited. Marites is asleep. We're not gonna wake up Marites because she is just very tired.
Not feeling well.
Yeah, she don't feel good. You need to wake up ra because we're gonna open the box.
Okay naman na.
Dato dito.
Ra, mata ra. She's throwing punch to everybody. Because she's still sleepy.
Milak na.
Ra.
Oh.
Here's something for Ra. Oh my God.
Ay. Okay, come on. Okay, it's time to get this box. Uy, nara. Dali ra.
Ra, it's your own personal tent. A little tent from Ra.
Yeah, this is for food, guys. Yeah, I will just give it to them because, they can't help. There's more flies there at my parents. Yeah. Okay, mo ni pick oh.
Thank you. Paglikod mo.
Family. Thank you.
Oh, whose are these?
Ay, kinsay wala pa nakajisa na siguro na.
Where these go to?
Ha? Oh yeah. Kinsa ni? Jasper. Yeah, Miss
Mr. Jennifer.
Yes, Ra.
Jasper.
Thank you, Miss Jennifer.
I don't know what these two are.
Ay, kisa may wala pa one eh, whoever. Mylene don't have one, so that's for Mylene. Imuha di sana, wala pa kano. Oh, that's Jisa. Ay, that's for Marites. That's for Marites. You know. Wow.
America.
Oh, that's for Marites. She didn't get this, but you know she's asleep.
Yeah, everything's from America.
Who is that? No name?
No name.
Everybody can just share this.
Candy.
Yeah, divide. Yeah, they can put that in the middle. Ay, this is for Annabelle. Yeah, Annabelle. Yeah.
Annabelle.
Baby Rara.
Rara, dali ra, for you ra. Kamu na pabaktasan lang siya, pabaktasa.
Ayaw, ayaw.
She gets mad. That's for Rara. Yay!
Oh wow, more candy.
More candy. Oh, they can divide that. Oh, the candy.
Chocolate candy.
Oh, more chocolate candy. Divide that also.
There's something else for Rara.
Rara, yeah.
Shamalin and your little cousin.
Ay, kang kiray na pagtunga mo na sa sa milin ha. Kamu pagkuan ha.
Guys, Jennifer.
Wow.
Oh, this is for me.
Oh, that's for you. Wait,
Saltwater
what?
taffy.
Huh?
Saltwater taffy.
Let me see.
Put
Ay.
candy thing there.
Yeah, oh yeah, we'll put that in a candy. Wow, one.
Marissa candy. No, this goes in the candy thing too.
Oh yeah, because the candy, I'll just share this. Thank you so much, friend, because we have so much candy. Oh, Marisa candy. Wow, this is very good.
Hey, Brock, no.
Wow. Uy, kaprak no. Yeah.
Ay, sticker.
Yeah, sticker of
Thank you.
sa kaprak no ligo ka ng kuan kag Facebook oh. Nawa, there's a follow us on Facebook kaprak no vlog na.
Thank you, Miss Jennifer.
Thank you.
Who's this for?
Oh, nice the sticker.
What are these?
Oh, these are some candies or nuts. Yeah, nuts. It's nuts, honey. It's a snack.
They're snacks. They're just little
Yeah, it's a snack. Oh, we will divide that for them later.
Oh, this is a beach ball. This one too.
Oh, beach ball? Oh yeah, to play at the beach. Oh, kani oh lami ni bro. Beach ball.
Her swimming pool.
Oh, sa swimming pool.
Your little cousin.
Ay, kang kon Sandra na murag mao na ka Sandra. Katuy mo mag little cousin. Ay hatag na ni imong mama ka kay hatag ni Sandra na.
My man.
Uy, wow, Mylene.
Thank you so much, Miss Jennifer.
Wow. Samuel. Wow.
Thank you, Miss Jennifer.
Wow. What is that?
Rara.
Rara.
Oh my
Yay!
gosh.
Ya, Ra, para. Tara, oh, igirit ra.
Isa raw. Tante.
Oh,
Para.
napa.
Roll-ups. Let's go.
Who is this? Ay, oh yeah, they can divide all the candy.
Wow, Jessera.
Yes, sir. Ay, oh. Lingkod doy. Kaya ron ko na. Oh. Wow.
Thank you, Miss Jennifer.
Guy, padabli naman chocolate ko.
What's the name on this?
Uy.
What's the name on this?
The name, oh, I think that's what, let me see.
Crayons and everything?
Ay, the crayons. Kinsa man ni? Maybe they can share it.
Basing kang
Ay, maybe the Jasper siguro ni. Okay, there's crayons. Yeah, I think it's
Crayons
this
and
is.
coloring book.
Ay, muha ni Jasper, oh, Jasper. Yeah. Miss, Miss.
Swim ring.
Ha?
Swim ring.
Ay, swim ring, oh, another swim ring. Okay, kanang kuan ni namin ni sa dagat. Kanang kuan mo.
Game, but
Ay. Oh.
Isa na. May pangalan.
Ay, they can share this. Oh.
balloons. Her nice balloons.
Oh yeah, balloons. Kasi ganahan balloons. balloons. Uy, daghag balloon oh. You guys can share that.
Let's go!
Yay! Hatay.
Thank you, Miss Jennifer.
Yay!
Swim ring.
Ay, more. What is this? Ah, swim ring. More swim ring.
Giza and Rule.
Yay!
Thank you so much, Miss
Okay.
Jasper! Yay!
Thank you, Mr. Jennifer.
Mister, she said. Family!
Miss Jennifer.
Yay!
Baby Rara.
Baby Rara! Rara! Come on, Ra! Dali, dali, Ra! Oh. Turao ka! Turao!
Rara.
Turao! Ay, she wants to come! Kwa!
Look at your little purse for Rara.
Oh, there, come on.
Very nice,
Oh, Rara! Thank you so much! Thank you so much, Miss Jennifer! Wow! Rosemary!
Thank you, Miss Jennifer. Very nice.
Yeah, very nice.
Roderick.
Roderick! Yay! Thank you, Mom.
Oh, wow.
Wait, get this.
Jasper?
Huh? Oh, Jasper. Wow!
Thank you, Mr. Jennifer.
Sheldon.
Family! Wow! Ra, do you like your gifts, Ra? What is that?
Gummies.
More gummies?
Rosemary.
Rosemary! Uy, hala! Her mom already tried that t-shirt. She's
Thank
tried.
you.
Wow, very nice.
Jezreel. Oh, wow.
Wow, Jisro.
Drawing pad.
Ay, pertingin duta.
Drawing and painting.
Wow.
Thank you, Miss Jennifer.
Ay, Rang. Samilin.
Thank you, Miss
Jezreel.
Jisrael. Yay.
Pencil sharpener for your
Wow,
pencil.
kanindut. Very
Miss
nice.
Jennifer.
Evelyn.
Wow. Wow.
Jasper.
Jasper.
Thank you, Mr. Jennifer.
Jezreel.
Jisrael. Wow. I need to get a battery. Yeah, very nice. Look at Mylene already tried the clothes already. Oh yeah, they are the same. We will get a battery to that. I'll buy. Auntie will buy. Ato rito ko sa tiyo. Uy, this is for Rara. Wow. Yay. Wow, very nice. Uy, nindot.
Oh, nindot ka nanay, oh.
Who is this for?
Ha, hindi, let me see. Oh, I think this is for me. Yeah, this is for me. Wow, that's for Maribel. Wow. Ako sa pikan, Cheerio pa naman. This is mine.
Marissa and Mylan.
Ay, this is for you and for me, Pico. Yeah, I think it's clothes, t-shirts. But Brianna, you can open that. You can open.
Roderick.
Roderick, Lid. Roderick is weird. Look at Roderick. Wow, very nice.
I took the shirt off.
Wow, Roderick already wearing it very quickly.
Baby Raw and Samuel.
Wow, Rara and Samilin. Wow, very nice. Wow. Uy, lindot.
There's Rara.
Ay, Purara! Purara! Na, thank you! Thank you! She just woke up, guys, and
Samilin!
Samilin!
Yay! No, that's pretty big.
Samilin has a big feet. This is from our mom.
Your mom.
Yet, pero from our mom, from Jennifer's mom. Hinatang sa mama ni Kuan, Jennifer. Pwede daw ni daghan ng function. Wow! Thank you!
Basa lagi.
Ha?
Hindi man ni basa.
Ay, dili, it's not wet. Roderick is wondering why. Mao ni pang pabugnaw sa imong liog ba?
That's a cooling towel.
Cooling towel.
Towel
Dili na nga na. Pang pabugnaw na ba? Oh. She said, why is this wet?
Cooling towel.
Dili man nabugnaw. Maritis yun. Murag basa siya ba? Ang ngayon na ibutang sa liog, yeah. Initan ka. Yeah, it's a good towel. Nawa, diba? Murag basa.
This is baby rock.
Uy, Baby Rara! Oh! Rara! Yes, for Baby Rara! Yay!
This just says kid.
Kids, the kids can divide this. Uy, hala, kuyaw kayo ni oh.
Ay,
Nindot ni oh.
Murag kuan ba kanang stock.
More candy.
Wow, more candy here.
Kuan si nanay parasa daw ni.
Para dish ni drainer pwede ni sa kanang daghag function ani. Daghag function ani. Pwede pamutang ni mong kuan niya, pwede anaon oh. Pamutang ni patok pang patok ani mo ba? Uy, wow! Rara got that thing. Oh, mao jud yang gikuan. Oh, si Rara likes that oh. She likes.
Samilin!
Wow! Yay!
Kayo ni mo.
Annabelle!
Uy, Annabelle, asa mo to ka Annabelle? Oh, this is for Annabelle here. Yeah.
I assume this is for the...
Uy,
the
for the kids.
pool.
Ay, oh, murag kuan oh. Pool, murag swimming pool.
They can put it together up
Oh,
there.
that's for you, Ra, oh. Ra. She is interested in that,
Slip and slide.
Uy, hala, pang slide, oh. Pwede na. Oh, sa slide ni.
Like this right here.
Ay, oh, ngana, oh. Oh, mura siya flat ba nga mag-slide-slide mo. Yay! Look at Roderick, oh, wearing already. Ay, oh. Oh, kani, pwede na
Very
siya.
nice.
Oh, hugasanan. Pwede na siya pamutang mo sa banggira ba para di mga hagbo ang kuan. Daghan ng function daw. Ano siya? Kanang, oh, mga hugas ka, mga prutas, mga gulay, ana ba?
Look here.
Yeah. Uy,
It's got these balloons that are for making water balloons.
ay, you put water in the side of balloon?
You screw this nozzle onto the hose. And then you see these little things here? You plug them into that nozzle and it fills them up with water very slowly. So you could have water balloon fights.
Oh, okay. Wow, it looks really fun.
It's a slide too.
Wow, thank you so much. Oh, the kids, oh, can kuan this, oh. Exciting.
This is for the sisters.
Oh, for the sisters. Wow, daghan kayo. May question. Ay, maybe Maribin, Mylene, and oh, appeal si Jisa. You can have that also, Jisa. Okay, daghan upat man ka buok. Ay, there's 5. Maybe our mom can have one too. Who is that?
Carolyn's shoes.
For some Mylene.
I think you miss Jennifer.
Wow.
Daan.
Uy, Baby Rara. Asa na si Rara? Ay, Mylene change clothes. This is for Rara. Oh.
Rara.
Annabelle.
Ay, for Annabelle. Ilahi ni ka Annabelle. This is for
Towel. I don't know whose towel this is.
Ay. Wow, that's for Maribin, the towel.
Wow.
Wow. What a nice gift. Thank you so much,
What's
our
in it?
friend.
Look, sir.
Oh, that's for the shoe rack. That's the shoe rack.
What a haul. What a haul.
Yeah.
Thank you, Miss Jennifer.
Wow.
Thank you so much, Miss.
Miss Jennifer.
Thank you so much, Miss
Thank
Jennifer.
you.
Thank you.
Yo.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Jennifer.
Yay.
Thank you very much,
Oh,
Jennifer.
very nice.
Thank you, Ma'am Jennifer, sa imong pasalubong sa amo.
Roderick is already wearing the clothes.
Thank you, Miss Jennifer, and to your whole family. Thank you so much. We are so very happy for your gifts. A lot of gifts and
Yeah.
the goodies also.
Yeah, we're gonna share with them,
gonna
guys.
share the goodies.
Some of the chocolates. Yeah, to them. Put this one here for Annabelle. This is for Annabelle here.
There were two of them.
Yeah, this one. That's for her. Oh, this is for me. Jennifer told me later that this is for me. Yeah. Samuel wearing his t-shirt. Wow, very nice.
Pasok sa CR.
Sige na, picture ta, picture. Here. Come on. Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you, Jennifer, and your whole family for all this gift. Now we're gonna share with them the candies and stuff. Wow! Thank you. She's not in a mood right now, guys, because we woke her up. Huh?
I love this daw.
Jasper, I love this. Auntie will get you the battery, okay? Palitan ako ng battery. Wow! Our dad likes chocolate. Tilawin na tayo. Lami kayo nga kindi. Oh, tilawin. Oh. Sige, try. You guys gonna have this.
So peanut butter cups to try.
Uy, patilawan na mo kaning-kani, oh. Kay lami kayo ni.
Well, he'll like those.
Kani daw tayo. Yeah, unahasan na ninyo.
Ayan, nara.
Dali, Samuel. Pagtilaw mo, Samuel. Pagtilaw. Ora.
Kay dili man ko ni
Oh, thank you.
Ay, oh. Yeah.
Lain man ro. Tagay siya kwan.
Wala na tayo si Rara.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jennifer.
Yay!
Bili tagay kwan.
That's for Rara.
Lady, ihong lipa. May money.
Maybe your dad will like the macadamia nuts.
Yeah, oh yeah, the macadamia also.
And the almonds, your dad will like those.
Na walay ngipon.
Wow, that's for Rara. Very good. Kalamin. Rara, lupahin.
Grabe, lupaon ang panit sa pato mo. Ang patok mo.
Our dad said that it's very good. The peanut butter cup.
Sa Kalawi.
He said it's very good.
Kadamya daw. Oh. Siguro ni ba?
Ra, you like my books, Ra? Cupcakes good ni Ra, oh. Very nice, Ra. Oh, this is Mexican cooking, honey. This is what I'm telling you. The Mexican cooking book. Yeah. Dennis likes that all the recipe from Mexican. We read this the other day. See, very sweet, my friend. Thank you so much for this sweet note. Lots of baking here for cupcakes. Look at all this. Wow. Wow. Very nice. And everybody's so busy with their gifts. And Maribin, they're busy with the chocolates. Very nice recipe for the Mexican. Yeah, Dennis likes that. We're gonna try some of the.
Hindi na.
Ay, is it good? Patilaw Samuel. Dali Samuel, kaon Samuel oh.
Lami kay Pinat.
Dagay Samuel ba turo?
Hindi na.
Peanut butter. Ay, this is very good. I'm gonna try this one.
Wow!
Ice
They have some very good sauces in here
Very good.
to make.
Our mom is saying thanks to Jennifer and her family now they were able to taste the other food, like food from other countries, you know, because they never tasted this before. Wow.
Si Rara.
This is very good.
Here's the recipe.
Toast and peanut butter sandwich crackers. This is really good.
A recipe for tacos with rice in them.
Dali nga kasi. Ato nang ilawan mo yung Dubai.
Americans would like that.
The taco.
Tacos with rice, burritos. We can make rice and beans burritos. All right now.
All done.
The toast and peanut butter's gone. It was very good. Sandwich crackers. Everybody just busy snacking, and Samilin busy with her makeup. Hala, look at how cute it is, Aurora.
Tama dun yung
Oh wow, very cute.
Yeah, this is very cute.
Very cute.
Wala, ngayon din si Rara na ba, no? Very nice. Ra, look at Ra, oh! Very nice for you, Ra. Wow!
What a day.
That's what I was gonna say. What a day.
What a day! What a long day! Maribin and I, guys, just got home from all the everybody. I took the kids, you know, because they're all packed in their motorcycles with the chocolates and their gifts. Yeah, so they like all their gifts. The kids are so happy. Our mom love all her gifts. Our dad likes his t-shirts, and the brothers and everybody love their gifts.
A
So
good time was had by all.
yeah. And then we just now got home, and then Dennis also had his dinner, leftover tacos.
Yeah.
Was it
Very-
good? How many
very
tacos?
good.
How many tacos did you have?
3?
3.
Well, they were just small, little crunchy ones.
Oh, okay. Because I cut up the
Which I did not heat up, and I like them that way.
Really, the meat? You didn't heat the
No,
meat?
the taco shell.
Oh, the taco shell. Oh well, yeah, it's still crispy anyway.
Yeah,
so
still.
before we left, I cut up the leros and tomatoes so that you know, he doesn't have to do it. So wow, it's been a long day, guys. I'm so tired, but I'm thankful that I was able to
Take a nap.
take a little bit of sleep earlier because
Recharge yourself a little bit. So that, you know, rest from.
yeah, and it's a good thing Maribin, guys. Maribin is such a big help. Maybe I changed my mind now. I'm not gonna let Maribin get married, maybe. I'm just joking, guys. If any somebody would come, the right man would come for her. Hopefully it will come. You know, of course,
Whoever kidnapped me, I'm willing to.
the right man, the right man.
You've
So
been a very lucky guy.
I hope that right man is watching right now. The thing about it, our plan about cooking the cupcake,
Yeah, I already prepared the
Yeah.
thing, but
it didn't happen. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it next time because we just
busy.
they were busy. They were busy snacking anyway, and lots of
yeah, a lot of sweets.
yeah, so
we
we're-
had enough sweet today.
yeah, enough sweets today. So we're gonna cook it next time, and maybe we're gonna cook it when just us here because we cook it like 6 at a time anyway, and then we're gonna cook again
Maybe
when the
we're
kids come
gonna try
over.
to find like
A bigger one or another
Or,
pan.
yeah, another pan like this. Yeah. Yeah, I think there is. I need to get another one so that.
maybe 10 pieces.
Yeah. But this one is very nice, so very strong.
Very strong.
Yeah, very. Wow.
Yeah, I already washed it last night
Yeah.
because I already prepared.
She prepared it because
That's the plan. Today, but
it changed. There's a lot of plan has changed today. Like look at this morning, we had to leave early, and Dennis don't want me to go alone, so he had to go. Maribin is gonna be busy preparing for the food, cooking and all. But still thankful.
Well worth it.
Yeah.
Everybody had a good time.
Yeah, and tomorrow we'll have to take care of Marites, bring her back to that hospital that we
Yeah.
picked her up earlier, and hopefully everything's gonna
Will be
just
okay.
be okay. But anyway, again, thank you so much, my friend Jennifer, for all the gifts.
Yeah, Jennifer
And your
to
family.
Yeah, whole family. Thank you for all the gifts.
Thank you, Jennifer and family.
All the gifts that
Appreciate
you've
it very much.
Yeah, all the gifts you've sent to everybody.
had a good time.
Everybody.
Everybody loved it. So,
Yeah, they did.
and we are very
Especially the sweets.
yeah, we're very thankful for everything.
Yeah, we just need to control ourselves eating the sweets.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, because my sugar is a little high. Oh my god, I'm a little nervous, so I have to control my sugar intake now.
We kept just a little bit, but the rest of it we sent with them.
Yeah,
Yeah, we
yeah.
seen it.
So we can also share for everybody, so our cousins, you know,
Yeah.
they can
Both
try
side,
also.
both side, our
Yeah.
mom and dad
Yeah.
side also.
Yeah, so wow, it's very nice of you all, my friend and your whole family, to send us all the gifts. So anyway, guys, that is it for today's video. It's been a long day. I need to eat because you know, I haven't eat that much today, and I'm gonna eat all the food that Maribin cooked today, and our dad also brought some native chicken
Native
soup.
chicken.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah, he did. So I'm gonna eat some of that after this. And thank you very much, guys, for watching today's video, and we'll see you all again tomorrow.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for
Thank
watching.
you guys.
Thank you.
See
Bye bye
you
for
tomorrow.
now.